Hey everyone, in this video you are going to learn everything about IP address, what they are, how to find your IP, change IP, reset it, and the difference between static and dynamic IP, whether you are fixing network problem or want more privacy. This video will help you step by step. What is an IP address? An IP address is like your computer's home address on the internet or your network. It's help device talk to each other. Without it, you can't connect to the web. There are two main types of IP address, static and dynamic, also known as DHCP. Static IP is manually set by the user and does not change. It stays the same every time you connect to the network. This is useful for devices that need a consistent address like server, CCTV system or printer. A DHCP IP or dynamic IP is automatically assigned by your router. It can change from time to time. How to find your IP address in Windows 10-11? Open CMD, type ipconfig, show IPv4 address. This is your local IP address. Understanding IP helps you fix problems like no internet, IP conflict or router issue. It also helps in privacy, port forwarding and working with server or CCTV system. You can also check setting, network and internet status properties. How to change IP address manual static IP. Go to control panel, network and sharing center. Click change adapter setting. Right click your connection properties. Select internet protocol version 4, IPv4. Use the following IP address. Make sure your IP doesn't conflict with others. Usually pick from 50 to 200. How to reset IP address? If you are having internet problem, you can reset your IP setting. CMD run as administrator. Type ipconfig /release. type ipconfig /renew. This processes your computer to ask the router for new IP. You want to pull IP reset, cmd run as administrator, type this command, restart your PC after this. It reset your IP stack to default. So now you know what an IP is, how to find it, change it and reset it.